we're going to make homemade Eatmore bars. So you'll need 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of corn syrup, 2 cups of oats, 2 cups of chopped nuts, any kind that you want to use. You can also use pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, and half a cup of peanut butter. So you can chop up your own nuts, or you can buy nuts that are already chopped up. You're going to start by putting your 2 cups of chocolate and your corn syrup together. Okay, and you're going to put it back in and keep doing that until it's all nice and smooth. It's all nice and smooth and melted. You can quickly add your peanut butter. Give that a stir, get that all mixed in. And I'm going to get Olivia. Olivia's here now, so she's going to add the oats.
I just put it.
Yeah. You got that all mixed in.
Did you tell me to do an oatmeal?
Yeah. And then we're going to add the 2 cups of chopped nuts. Can you throw those in?
My bowl is hot.
Yeah. All of them. Good job, kiddo. Good and mixed. You can put it onto your cookie sheet that you have parchment paper on, or you can just grease your sheet really good. I like to put gloves on. What I do is I spray my gloves and pat it down. And then until it's all the size of the cookie sheet, basically. After it's all set, you can cut it all up and put it in a container